Pavilook is being promoted as a discount fashion store with trendy jackets and huge sales. But the real question is whether it's actually legit or just another risky online shop. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. The site does function as a real e-commerce store selling clothing, and you can technically place orders. However, here's the key point. Pavilook shows strong signs of being a high-risk or scam-style clothing site. There are some surface positives. The website features trendy clothing designs, clean layout, and shopping interface, very low prices, and frequent discounts. But that's where the positives mostly end. There are several major red flags. First, extremely low prices. Items are often sold at far below normal market value, which is a common tactic used to attract buyers quickly. Second, very low trust scores. Independent checks rate the site around 26 to 30 out of 100, labeling it suspicious or high risk. Third, new and unverified website. The domain was only created in late 2025, with little history or reputation. So is Pavilook real or fake? It's likely a real website, but operating in a very low-trust, scam-like way. The bottom line is this. Pavilook shows multiple serious warning signs, including low trust scores, misleading pricing, and poor customer experiences. Even if you receive something, there's a high chance it won't match expectations, and getting a refund may be difficult. If you're looking for reliable clothing, it's much safer to avoid this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.